or madam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Human Kubir Khan. I am a student of Bangladesh Open University, BBA, department in second level. My roll number is 201 32161 Now we will discuss about the topic which has been given of computer assignment 2. Question 2:5:1 and the required topic 2 is discussed about the bad effect of cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the bullying that takes over digital devices like cell phone, computer, tablets. Cyberbullying can occur through text and apps or online in social media forms of gaming where people can view, participate in or share. Cyberbullying includes sending, posting, or sharing negative harmful thoughts or main content about someone else. Cyberbullying is often done by the children who have increasingly early access to these technologies. Some cyberbullying causes is line into the unlawful or criminal behavior. The effect of cyberbullying. Any type of bullying can have physical and psychological effects on men. Cyberbullying can affect is 4 ways like emotional, mental, behavioral, physical ways. And now we will discuss about this 4 type of effect. Type 1. Emotional effect of cyberbullying. In research that 32% of kind who are target of cyberbullying report experiencing at last on symptoms of stress. Emotional effect has 3 parts and these are number 1. Humiliation. It is the first part of emotional effect. Cyberbullying sometimes causes kids to be excluded and ostracized at school. When kids don't have friends, this can lead to more bullying. Number 2. Isolation. It is the second part of emotional effect. Cyberbullying sometimes causes kids to be excluded and ostracized at school. When kids don't have friends, this can lead to more bullying. Number 3. Powerlessness. This is the last part of emotional effect. Victims often find it difficult to feel safe. They may feel vulnerable and powerless to a victim. I can feel like cyberbullying is everywhere. Number 2. Mental effect of cyberbullying. When cyberbullying is ongoing, victims may relate to what around them differently than others. For many, can feel hopeless and meaningless. It has also 3 parts, and these are number 1. Low self-esteem. For example, maybe child who feel insecure about the birthmark and are being bullied about that. As a result, they can begin to doubt their worth and value. Number 2. Academic issues. The second part of a mental effect of academic issues. By this part, kind may skip school or avoid facing the kids cyberbullying them or because they are the embraced of humiliated by the message that we are sharing online. Number 3. Suicidal thoughts and self-harm. It is the last part of mental effect. Sometimes target of cyberbullying response of their intense in research this risk of suicide. As a result, they may fantasize about doing or order to escape. Number 3. Behavioral effect of cyberbullying. Kids who are the cyberbullied may display the same behavioral signs as those who are the bullied in more traditional ways. For example, when cyberbullying is prolonged, kids sometimes even the exhibit more of significant of behavioral signs. This can include using drug or alcohol, skipping school and university. Number 4. Physical effect of cyberbullying. Being targeted by the cyberbullies can be causing, especially if a lot of kids are participating in it. The feeling of overwhelmed and stress of manifest physically, which such as gastrointestinal issues and disordered eating and sleep. This trap may be BDSM. Assalamu alaikum.